In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make recurring or repeating events easily in Google Calendar. If you're someone who relies on Google Calendar for organizing your daily schedule, knowing how to efficiently create recurring events is key to maximizing your productivity and ensuring you never miss an important meeting or deadline. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and heading over to calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll land on the month view, which gives you a nice overview of all your scheduled events. Now, let's add a new event. Look for the date and time slot on which you want your event to occur. Click on that particular slot and then click the plus sign that says Create Event. This opens up a new event form where you can input all the specifics of your appointment. Next, you'll need to decide on an event name. This is important as it gives clarity to what the event is all about. Let's say the event you're creating is a team meeting. Type that into the designated event title space. Now here's where we delve into making this event repeat. You'll see an option labeled Does Not Repeat by default. Clicking on this will open the various repeating options available to you: daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or even a custom repeat pattern. For instance, if you want this team meeting to happen every week on Wednesday, you simply select the weekly option and then choose Wednesday from the list that appears. Alternatively, if your needs are more specific, you can opt for the custom option, which lets you design a pattern that fits the exact frequency you desire, such as every other week or several times a month. Once the recurrence pattern is selected, you can add more details to the event. It's time to specify the event start and end times, the location, be it a conference room or an online meeting link, and any additional descriptions or notes. This section is useful for providing any extra context team members might need. Lastly, with all your details filled in, it's crucial not to forget to save your hard work. Hit the save button, and your recurring event is now created and will automatically populate in your calendar according to the frequency you selected. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've put in place a reliable way to manage repeating events in Google Calendar. This tool is a powerful ally in keeping your schedule organized, consistent, and free of conflicts. Keep practicing with these features, and soon creating recurring events will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on using Google Calendar efficiently.